Welcome to the Pro Sheet Project Budget Tracker tutorial. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the various features and functionalities of the Project Budget Tracker. Project Budget Tracker is designed to facilitate monthly tracking of project expenditures, ensuring smooth execution while covering each aspect of project spending. When we open Project, this is the interface you will see. This is the home page, which contains navigation buttons to access different sheets of the Project Budget Tracker. The available buttons are Home, Instructions, Dashboard, Settings, Expense Tracker. On the left side, there are also buttons for all the sheets. Clicking any button will open the corresponding sheet. For example, clicking on the Instructions button will open the Instructions sheet. There is a Back to Top button to return to the top and a Home icon at the top to navigate back to the Home sheet. Let us go through each sheet one by one, starting with the Instructions sheet. This sheet provides the basic instructions for using the Project Budget Tracker, including general settings and Microsoft Excel settings. Next, let us move to the dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview and analysis of project-related tasks. Here is what you will find. Total projects displays the total number of projects. Total budget shows the total allocated budget. Total planned displays how much budget has been planned. Total consumed. Additionally, there is data analysis by department. You can select a department to view detailed data, such as communication expenses, legal and professional fees, marketing costs, miscellaneous costs, and more. Each category shows the remaining and consumed budget. Next, you will find data on the number of payments, providing an overview of paid, approved, and pending payments. The Value of Payments section displays the amount for paid, approved, and pending payments. Lastly, the Monthly Payments graph provides a detailed overview of payments made on a monthly basis. Now, let us navigate to the Settings sheet. This sheet contains predefined variables for use in the Project Budget Tracker, including Expense category, general variables like communication expenses, legal and professional fees, marketing costs, office equipment, office supplies, and more. Task priority, options such as paid, approved, and pending. Year, the project year. Project details, including project name and project manager. Payment status, linked to project name and expense category. You can add or delete any variables here, and changes will automatically update across all sheets. Finally, let us explore the Expense Tracker sheet. This sheet contains comprehensive information about project data, and you can add new data as needed. Let us add a new entry. Date. Enter the date. Project. Select the project, for example, CRM implementation. Expense category. Choose the appropriate category, such as office equipment. Description. Provide a brief description of the expense. Planned amount. Enter the planned amount for the expense. Quality hours. Input the number of hours related to the expense. Cost per unit. Enter the cost per unit if applicable. Total amount. Calculate the total amount for the entry. Variance. Indicate whether the entry is under or over the planned amount. Status. Select the status, such as pending. Notes. Add any special notes in this section if needed. Thank you for joining this tutorial on the Pro Sheet Project Budget Tracker.